your Apple Watch battery health dropping too fast? This usually happens due to frequent charging, high screen brightness, or using power-hungry features too often. Don't worry, in this advanced video, I'll show you how to solve the battery health dropping fast issue on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Solution 1. Remove recent apps history. Press the digital crown button for 2 times. Now slide the recent tab to the left. Tap cross. Solution 2. Optimize battery charging. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Scroll down a bit. Here you will find the battery health option. Scroll down again, find the optimized charge limit, and then toggle it on. Solution 3. Decrease display brightness. Open the Settings app. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Brightness and Display. Now tap on the little sun icon from the left side to decrease the brightness. Solution 4. Turn off background app refresh. Go to the settings again, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap background app refresh, and simply toggle it off. That's how you can solve the battery health dropping fast issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.